In the name of Allah, today I want to show you in this video how to notepad to Microsoft Word can work. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC.
Let's say you have a notepad file and you want to notepad to Microsoft Word converter. So to convert the notepad to Microsoft Word document, just click the link in the description. Open the site. This is the site which will help us convert a notepad to Microsoft Word document. So click select file and then select the notepad file which you want and click open. And here select the Microsoft Word document format. And here click convert. And here a few seconds wait notepad to Microsoft Word document. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the Microsoft Word document. This is how to notepad to Microsoft Word converter. It's a very easy way. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.